Hey guys, this is John from Monroe Systems. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of the Monroe ClassicX. Brought back the popular Monroe Classic and gave it a nice touch up. So let's open it up and see how she looks. Pull it out. Be careful because it's going to be in styrofoam. Not box anymore. Obviously, you'll have your Monroe ClassicX manual. Be very handy for finding the exact functions that you want to be using with your Monroe Classic. Put that aside for now. There she is right there, Monroe ClassicX. Peel that off right there. As you can see, it's a nice cool gray color. All you have to do is just pull off a couple of these pieces of tape just to make sure that everything looks good. You can see it's a similar keyboard layout as the 8145X. However, the main difference is that it has the IKT key switch technology, or as we like to call it, Velvet Key Touch. It's very similar to the Monroe Ultimate X. Let me just open it up real quick. You want to make sure when you do open up your ClassicX that you remove the piece of foam. And as you can see, that there is an M33X ribbon already pre-installed with your calculator, as well as the brand new printer that is in all of our Monroe X machines. There's also room for another M33X cartridge and enough room for your paper holder. Put this back on. Also included in your box is, not going to open it, but it is a calculator cover for the Monroe ClassicX. So I'm going to put that aside too. Now let's turn her on. As you can see, it's the new Monroe blue color display, as well as a nice large display for your numbers. So you can see 12-digit display right there. Looks really good. Alright guys, that's it for the unboxing of the ClassicX. Be sure to purchase it on monroe-systems.com.
Like and subscribe for more.